Alright, I don't feel like moving my camera, but I'm getting ready to make some carrot juice. Just got through cleaning. Carrot juice, knuckle soup, root vegetables, and carrot soup and root vegetables, and that's it. Yep. Alright, here we go. Can I plug it in first? Google, stop it. Okay, I don't feel like moving my camera. I'm getting ready to end my day. Just got through cleaning my house, my mom's house. Yeah, so getting ready to end my day with some carrot juice, carrots, rhubarb that have been frozen, kale chips that I made. So I'm gonna top off my soup with. Let's get it going. All right, I'm gonna get my soup. My soup, the base is beets. That's what I'm putting on the bottom of my bowl. So this is knuckles, turkey knuckles, lentils, carrots, and rutabaga. Rutabaga? Rutabaga. Celery. A little bit of celery. I don't know if I said carrots. I'm going to top it off. Kale. And my kale has a layer of brewer's yeast. And now let's do this carrot juice. Already been pre-chopped, rinsed. Sorry if my arm's in the way, but we're about to do this. Get your juicer going. I love this juicer. If you have a Vitamix, that would be good as well. And just make sure the juice is very, very powerful. So again, make sure you wash your carrots thoroughly, chop off the top, scrub the actual carrot, and I will, what's next? I'm adding the cut up carrots to my juicer. Keep going, and I add the, what that was? Yeah, that right there. I lost my thought. What is that called? Rhubarb. Yeah, it's frozen. I'm not gonna do it fresh because it's too stringy. I think it's in the celery family. It's very, very stringy. So I end up freezing mine. So I let it unthaw a little bit. But you don't want it too solid because the blender can't handle it. I'm almost done. Almost done. Yep, keep going. Keep moving. This juice is amazing. If you have apples, add apples. If you have a pear, add a pear. Alright, I think that's it. I'm turning it off. Alright, I finished. I am so ready to eat, y'all. But my soup, my knuckle root vegetable soup, carrots, the carrot juice with rhubarb. Yep. This is it, y'all. I'm so freaking hungry. Y'all enjoy y'all Thursday. I will see you tomorrow. As you can see, oh, I forgot to add something. I'm going to add my favorite ingredient. Let me show you. this. It's my favorite. It's my topper. Get it open. There we go. That's it, y'all. Bye. Okay, guys. I have to share with you this tea. It's the Queen of Herbs. Yes, the Queen. Shatavari. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But this is a beautiful, beautiful tea. Where it comes from? Our creator, Shatavari. It's an herb. It's for women of all ages, and it's referred to as the Queen of Herbs, as I mentioned, as opposed to the King, which is ashwagandha. So the botanical name, is Asparagus roses, and it's indeed related to the more common asparagus, where we eat the stem. But however, with Shatavari, we use, sorry about that beeping sound. Now it's a root vegetable, and it grows into the ground. Now when it's fresh, it's very, very juicy. But when it's dehydrated, it's still nice and sweet. I buy mine in root form, but you can buy it in powder form. Powder form, yes. So it also, the benefits, one of the most benefits I find, how to put it, I find very helpful. It helps with your woman parts. So it helps with the below part. Also referred to as she who possesses 100 husbands, which point to its actions and effects. So Shatavari is very powerful. So women, grab some. It was very powerful. Then I got my root vegetable soup and my carrot juice. So I'm going to wake up glowing. I'm going to wake up moist. I was playing, y'all. And it's good for aging. It improves physical strength and intelligence, helps your memory. It promotes love and harmony. And again, it tastes sweet but yet bitter. And also have a cooling effect. So that's why I say it's good for women of going through their menopause stage. Alright guys, I'm going to have another video with more details. I'm just rambling right now. I'm ready to eat. Alright, thank you for visiting my channel. Bye, friend. I got just a little cotton cloth underneath here because I didn't feel like wearing a bra. I didn't mind going flat today, but you know, when you get to cleaning, you get hot. So I just kind of want a knit top, black trim, pink jacket with the hood, with the hoodie, and some tan sweatpants. I don't know if you can see. You see? It's regular tennis shoes. So, guys, it's just for cleaning. It's nothing special. Yeah, it's when you get hot. But you can see my top through here. But I should have wore a cute, like, what do you call that? Bustier or tube top. I didn't feel like it. I had to handle business today cleaning. But I do enjoy having pockets. So, bye, y'all.